How to log into my Space portal. Hey everybody, welcome back to official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your My Space portal account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, type in My Space without any space. Once you have done that, you will see Benefit Solver portal. Tap open that link. Here, simply type in your username. Once done, type in your password at the box below and tap on to login. In case you have forgotten your username or password, tap on Forgot Your Username or Password at this link and it will help you resetting your account. In case you don't have an account, tap on Don't Have an Account and here you will have to follow some steps in order to create yourself an account. Once done, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.